No, in quotient rule, let's say this, I gave you like this, is it right? This is your function. Okay, now so in quotient rule the main method was this one, you know, then your sign becomes u, is it right? Or t, you can put t also. So can I write dy over du is equal to cos u, and can I write du over dx is equal to 2x plus 1, is it right?
Yeah.
Maybe if you are confused, I will take another letter. Instead of u, I will take t. Okay, instead of, maybe it's confusing a little bit, but if I will take t, whatever was inside the bracket, this is chain rule when with all steps, you know. So is this one is not cos t, is it right? This one is cos t, and what is this? Is it not dt over dx is equal to 2x plus 1? But initially we are interested in this one because this is my y and my function is in x, so I need to calculate dy by dx. So for that, can I write dy by dx can be also written as dy over dt multiplied by dt over dx, and is it this one cos t, and this one is your 2x plus 1, and that was our final answer, you know, cos bracket multiplied by the differentiation of the bracket, is it right?
Yeah.
So here what we have done here, can you see that this we will use in rate of change, and there is a definite question in the leaving certs. If you see the exam paper, they always ask rate of change. So by doing this type of things, manipulations, you can find the rate of change. Okay, so I will start with the one question based. Okay, can you try example 1? We'll go by example. Before doing this, do you know distance, differentiation of distance is what? Do you know? Differentiation of distance can be written as this one, ds over dt. Distance is represented sometime in s, sometime in x, and ds over dt is always your velocity.
Okay.
You know this one. Do you know this one, or should I explain?
Yeah. I've seen it before.
Okay, and differentiation of velocity, always remember it's give you acceleration. This is from physics. Maybe you do have the physics measure. Have you taken? Okay, so this is just 3 things you can remember. Differentiation of distance is velocity, and differentiation of velocity is acceleration. Now you can try. Do you understand the question? Like they have given you area, okay?
Yeah.
And they have given you the rate of decreasing. What is the, if the radius length is decreasing, okay, some number here, area, what is the area? Area is pi r square, is it right? First, right, what is given? Area is given, and what else is given? The decreasing radius. So is it not mathematically dr over dt?
Yeah.
Which is 0.5. Is it not right? And this, and also, okay, this information is given. Now what they are asking for? They are asking for dA over dt. Is it right? At r equal to 10. Clear? Now what I will do? So first, anyway, I need to find dA over dt. Clear? But do you have any t here? No. I can't differentiate it with respect to t. Okay. So we need, how we can do that? The first thing, okay, So there is a way you can do it. Area is your pi r square. See, if you want to write dA over dr, you can do this one. Is it right? What is dA over dr?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Is it right? But are we looking for dA over dr? No. We are looking for dA over dt. So what I will do, I will multiply it by dt and I will divide by dt. See what I am going to do here. Okay, is it right? Because what is this? Initially it is 1. dA over dt over dt is what? 1. Is it not true? Okay, so I will try to cleverly separate. Can I write this thing as dA over dt multiplied by dr over dt? Can I write that? Okay, and I have this one, but so this will be the reciprocal of this, this will be the reciprocal of this. So I got my dA over dt multiplied by 1 over 0.5, is it not right, is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, do you want me to go through one more time?
Well, why are we doing that?
Which
The
one?
dA over dt by, no, the dA over dt multiplied by 1 over 0.5 equals 2 pi r.
Okay, because what is this? Is it not reciprocal of this dt over dr? This is dt over dr. So from here, if you want to write dt over dr, what is that? Is it not 1 over 0.5?
Yeah, but why are we doing that?
Because we want this value. Initially we want dA over dt, okay, but
Okay.
using this equation we can get only dA over dr. We can't get with respect to t. So we are manipulating it with respect to t. There is another way you can do it, but it will be the same thing. It will finally it will come to the same thing. So let me explain this one more time. Maybe you will understand if I will do one more time. About the question, what they ask you, this thing. They ask you differentiate a with respect to t and put r equal to 10 in that. Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay, but can you differentiate with respect to t? Is it possible?
No.
Because there is a no t. Okay, so
Yeah.
what I'm going to do is I will differentiate. There is a one way we do directly. I can write dA over dt is equal to 2 pi r and again write dr over dt, but you will not understand why I'm writing again dr over dt, but this method will make sense. Can I do dA over dr is equal to 2 pi
No.
r? Why not? There is r here. I can differentiate this function with respect to r. That's what I'm doing, dA over dr
Okay.
is equal to 2 pi r. If you have a y equal to 2x x square, you do dy over dx is equal to 2x. That's what I'm doing here right now. Okay, now the main thing
Yeah.
is we need to introduce a t here. There is a no t, so we need to introduce t because we want dA over dt, we don't want dA over dr. Okay, for that what I'm doing, can I write this function as dA over dt multiplied by dt over dr? Any trouble? Is it not the same thing? Is it not the same thing? So we got our questions. And what is this one? dt over dr. Is it not reciprocal of this?
Yeah.
So can I write dA over dt multiplied by 1 over 0.5 is equal to 2 pi r. Is it not true? So dA over dt will be equal to 2 pi multiplied by 10, because the radius was 10, multiplied by 0.5. Is it not right?
Yeah.
That's your answer. Calculate how much
Okay.
it is giving.
Yeah.
Can you check the answer?
Minus 10 pi.
Minus 10 pi.
Minus 10 pi, yeah.
And what you are getting?
10 pi.
Yeah, because this is decreasing, so you need a negative here.
Okay.
So you can put a negative. That's they should not give, because they have already says that area is decreasing, or what they ask you? Yeah, in the question they are asking, they have given decreasing, so you don't need to introduce negative. Okay, leave that.
Okay.
But this step is very important. This one, this conversion. We are not doing extra thing here. We are just manipulating. Because dA over dr can be written as dt over dt over dr, and then this already is given, reciprocal of this. Does it make sense? If you practice 2-3 question,